you live and work in San Francisco and you're tired of paying $4,000 a month rent, and you can imagine yourself living and owning a condominium with all of the advantages of being in Berkeley, East Bay, and being able to get onto the freeway and to work either on a casual carpool or the express bus, get to work in 20 minutes in the morning, you should consider moving to Gateview, right here on the bay. Now, let's take a little look around here, what you can get. We're in the top floor corner unit here at Gateview, unit 1340. Look at the bay here, we've got the view. San Francisco and the Bay Bridge. And if you come over here and out onto the deck, we're going to get a view of the Golden Gate and the bay. Let's then go back in. So in your dining area, you're looking out at Albany Hill as well. So you have the bay view and the green view. There'll be deer coming through the woods as well on a regular basis while you're dining. Here we've got a simply galley kitchen. We've got a dishwasher, stove, refrigerator, and the cabinets are in all good condition. Let's check into the master suite now. Very large bedroom, it's 14 by 20 feet. We've got another view of the bay of the Albany Hill here too. Three large closets. Two with mirrored doors. Another one here. And master bath. There's one more room here that's on the bay. This one is 10 by 12. We haven't staged this one because this could be either a bedroom, or your office. Imagine having your office or bedroom in here, and that's your view. So Gateview has a swimming pool and 2 tennis courts and jacuzzi and workout room. Come to Gateview, 555 Pierce Street, unit1340.com, and get more information about this. And call me about open houses. Thank you.